This is Ken from JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36, reference 126200, black index on oyster bracelet. I'm going to talk to you about the case, the dial, the bezel, the movement, the bracelet, and then I'm going to try it on and give you a few thoughts. So diving right in, let's talk about the case. The case is using a mono block middle case, screw down, case back, and winding crown. What does all that mean? Basically means that this is made of stainless steel, 904L steel. It's 36 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. It's really thin, it fits under your cuff, and it's the only size that they make in 36. So if you want a Datejust, this is the case that you get. There are no other options. But it does look really nice, as you see from here. And it's, before 36 millimeter was a large for men, but now it's like the mid-size. Women can also wear it, and men who want smaller watches can also wear it. There's also a 41, this would be the 36. So a size smaller for men, or mid-size rather, and a larger size at 41 for men. Okay, now moving on, let's talk about the dial. The dial is a black index, of black of course, by color black, and index meaning these hash marks. The hash marks here are index, and they actually glow in the dark. I'm going to show you what that looks like. And this is what your watch would look like at night. It's important to have luminescence on both the hands, you see it right there, as well as the hour markers, because that's how you tell the time at night. Okay? And let's move on to the movement. Now here's where I guess I should say that also the case, since in this newer reference 126200, the lugs of the case, you see where the lugs are, where my index finger is pointing, where the bracelet connects to the head of the watch. Well, that proportion has been made slimmer. Yeah, it used to be really fat in the 16200, and now it's been made slimmer. Another improvement, why if you're thinking that you might want to upgrade from your older 116-200 to this newer 126-200, that would be another reason. The proportions are better. Now, looking at this bezel, the bezel is the thing that goes around the dial, the one that my thumb is circling around. That's made of stainless steel, and it's domed. They also make it in a fluted 18 karat gold, and they also make it with diamonds. This is the base model, so it's domed. So actually the entire watch is steel. The bracelet, the case back, the case, and the bezel. Okay? Now let's talk about the movement. It uses a 32-35. Now that replaces the old 31-35 that had been in use for more than 20 years. And what makes this one different is that the oscillator, or the precision on this is plus minus 2 seconds a day, as opposed to before when it was plus minus 7. And it also lasts longer, lasts for almost 70 hours. It uses a paramagnetic blue chrome parachrome hairspring and a high performance Paraflex shock absorber. Basically what that means is this one's better. So let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet here is an oyster clasp. Now it's actually called a folding oyster clasp, and it has an Easy Link 5mm comfort extension link. What does all that mean? That means that you can adjust the links, the size of the link, or you can do like a micro adjust back here. Okay? Now this oyster bracelet has its 3 links across. It's brushed on the outside, polished in the center, and it simply closes like this, snap, and that's called the folding oyster clasp. Okay, now let's move on and try this watch on. Now if you like this video, I think this is a really great watch, by the way. If you like this video, I urge you to buy it. You can go to jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com, or click on the link in the description below. We make these videos so that you can decide on which watch you want from the comfort of your own home. So check us out at jazztime.com. Talk to you soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.